Are you looking for the best impact wrenches? I have compiled a list of top 5 best impact wrenches this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Milwaukee M1818V Fuel, a half mid-torque impact wrench. Though there's nothing wrong with Milwaukee's competitors, the brand just seems to pummel the power tools category, even if this model isn't exactly its heaviest hitter. Why does this mid-torque take our top pick over some of the more powerful offerings? Size. While it's not exactly a compact tool, it's much smaller and more manageable than many other cordless 1/2-inch impact drivers. Despite that, it still can turn out 650 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, which is more than enough for most automotive applications. The price tag can be a bit of a setback considering it's a tool-only deal, but it's more than easy to justify when you consider just how good that balance of size and power is. A surplus of 600 foot-pounds is nothing to scoff at. Not too long ago, that was about what the best pneumatics were pumping out, which goes to show just how far cordless technology has come. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Auto Kit. Finally, the hunt for Hercules has come to an end. This thing can tear the head off nuts with 1,000 foot-pounds for fastening and turn the earth by applying 1,400 foot-pounds for loosening. I'm speaking of course about the Milwaukee M18 Fuel, a 1/2-inch impact wrench in this bundle. Along with the 1/2-inch impact, you'll also get your hands on that M18 Fuel 3/8-inch impact that's beefy enough to turn 600 foot-pounds of torque. On top of that, you get 2 batteries for these monsters, meaning you can dual-wield your way through any project. Milwaukee also throws in a battery charger and a bag to complement your investment. And it is an investment as that price tag is no joke. We wouldn't recommend this for just anyone, as it is costly, and you don't exactly need that kind of power to tune up your Honda Civic. But if you're looking for a professional-grade tool that'll disrupt the rotation of the earth, you've found it. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Wrench 1/2-inch Drive. Even though cordless impacts are growing in popularity, there's still a place for pneumatic tools. One of the reasons is how quiet it is. This model operates at just 98 decibels. While that's still loud for a power tool, it's not as bad as some of the competition. It's no slouch in terms of power either. This particular model's fastening torque peaks at 930 foot-pounds and nut-busting torque at 1,350 foot-pounds. The only problem to bring up is that this tool relies on an air compressor, which is a problem for many working from a home garage. Other than that, Ingersoll Rand has more than proven itself to be worthy of entering any garage. It even contends with the more prestigious offerings, despite being less expensive than many tool truck models. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Impact Wrench Kit. DeWalt fans can rejoice with this entry, as this 20V Max XR Impact is packing some serious heat as it's ready to deliver 1,200 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and can send fasteners home with 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque. Though it's somewhat bulky, there's not too much weight to bear as the tool only weighs in at about 6 pounds. That's not too terrible considering others like the Milwaukee weigh in around 7.5 with battery. Of course, being a DeWalt, the pricing is pretty easy to justify as well. Yes, you can argue that a little more money can get you something more powerful. However, being a part of the 20V Max line, this model shares a battery with a surplus of 200 cordless tools. So, if you're looking to build a collection around a single battery, this model is tough to beat. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby 3/8-inch Impact Wrench Kit. This is a 3/8-inch impact that's designed with tight spaces in mind. By that, we mean that its stubby head will come in handy under the hood. Not only that, but it comes with 2 different batteries. One full-size battery complements those longer projects, while the compact battery is perfect for maneuvering into the depths of the engine bay. Finally, of course, the ability to pump out 250 foot-pounds of torque in either direction goes a long way for most applications. This isn't the last impact wrench you'll ever need, but if you want something that can get into the places your full-size impact won't and apply the power your hands can't, it's certainly worth your consideration.